the complete process of automated backup of Office 365 archive mailboxes to PSD through the reliable Kernel Office 365 backup and restore tool is explained here. The software can also back up Office 365 primary mailboxes, shared mailboxes, and public folders in addition to archive mailboxes. With the help of this tool, you can back up Office 365 archive mailboxes complete items, like emails, contacts, calendar, appointments, etc. Also, the tool includes useful filter options which allow to back up specific archive mailbox data, based on item type, date, etc. Let's go through the Office 365 archive mailbox backup process. First, download Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool and install it on your system. Launch the software and click on Backup option. The tool will show you the Add Source section. Click Add button to add your Office 365 account. Enter the Office 365 credentials. Select List all mailboxes using above credentials, and then click Get User Mailboxes to retrieve the mailboxes. Now click on Unselect All option and choose the desired mailboxes for migration. Click Add. Once selected Office 365 mailboxes are added, click Set Filters and Migrate. Select Archive Mailbox from each mailbox drop-down and click Migrate. It will start enumerating the mailboxes folders. Next, select the specific folders that you want to back up, and filter the archive mailboxes based on date, item type, exclude folder, etc. Select Exclude Empty Folders option to avoid moving them, and then click I am OK, start migration. After that, provide a specific location on your system to save the PSD files, and click OK. The tool will start to back up archive mailboxes. Once the backup is completed, a notification will appear on the screen confirming the same. Click OK to end the process. Hence, the process to back up Office 365 archive mailboxes with this software is completed quite effortlessly. For any queries, please feel free to write us in the comment section. Get more details about this tool at given link. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.